Today we will learn how to crochet I cord. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Now as usual we will be starting with a slip knot. First we make a slip knot. Today yarn I am using is a t-shirt yarn and crochet hook is of 4.5 mm. After the slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. After 3 chain crochet stitches, we can see one loop is already on the needle. Then we will skip first stitch which comes after the current loop on the needle. Okay, and from second stitch we will just pull the yarn and make one more loop on a needle. Then third stitch again we will pull yarn and make one more loop on a needle. And try to make those stretch those loops quite longer, so further stitches are easy. Okay, and from third stitch we will pull another loop, make another loop on the needle. Now just remove your needle and keep before that. Now see, this process you have to go on continuing for whole project whatever you are making. Always put another needle or anything in those last two loops. Okay, because they come out. Now again we will yarn over and pull through from first loop. We get one more loop. Then we insert a needle in a second loop, yarn over, pull through from second loop, get two loops on the needle, and again repeat the process and get third loop on the needle. That's it. This is how I cord is made. We are going to going on repeating this process again and again. Always we have to do is keep two loops on the needle, and then from each loop we have to pull new loop and for next row. See, just remove that needle and now put it in above row for last two loops. Then from first loop again yarn over and pull through and make a new loop on the needle. Same goes for the second loop. For second loop, yarn over, pull through, make a second loop on the needle. Same goes for the third loop. Insert your needle, yarn over, pull through, make third loop on the needle. Again you get 3 loops. Only try to make these loops quite longer, so it is easy. Now again put your needle on the inside last 2 loops. Go on repeating this. I won't disturb you anymore. You carefully watch the video. I have given very slow demonstration, so you won't have any difficulty to understand. So please continue. So this is how a crochet cord look like. Basically it is used for like back straps, bracelet, or many more uses are there. You can find your own also. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching till end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.